Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. Thanks for your patience for this part 3 video. In parts 1 and 2, we drafted our pattern and made a skirt, and part 3 is all about the hem. In this video, I will show you 3 different hem types and how to sew them, along with tips for sewing a curved hem. Modifying the hem is a simple way to add variety to a skirt, and I hope this video equips you to experiment with different hems on your maple as well as on any future dresses. Let's make a high-low hem first. Match the side seams and always press the seams towards the back. The starting mark must be at a right angle to the edge. Draw a curve for the front hem. The curve doesn't have to be perfect. You can experiment with different curves for different looks. Cut. The right angle makes the front hem straight. This looks slightly funny in 2D, but will look beautiful when worn. Now let me show you how to make a side low high hem. Match the side seams and always press the seams towards the back. The lowest part of the hem will be on the bottom of the side seams. The starting mark must be at a right angle to the edge. Draw a curve for the front hem. For the back, the hem has to be lower than the front. And again, the starting mark must be at a right angle to the edge. Draw another curve for the back hem. Cut. The back hem needs to be longer to make room for the back side. I think this front hem looks straight and is good to go. It seems that the back hem wasn't cut a right angle. After a little trim, now it looks much better. If you are a beginner, sewing a curved hem can be incredibly frustrating as the curve creates a lot of puckering. Let me show you how to make a neat curved hem. I hope this clip helps you master the skill of the curved hem. The straight hem is the classic choice as it conveys a timeless, clean, and polished look to the outfit. It is often associated with traditional, formal, or business attire. The high-low hem is generally considered more fashionable and is trend-driven. It is often used in more casual or relaxed outfits, but can also add an element of drama to a more formal piece. The side low high hem is associated with a more bohemian or free-spirited vibe thanks to its flowing and uneven lines. It is often used in casual and relaxed outfits. It can give an easygoing, breezy feel to the garment. Which one is your favorite? Tag me on your maple skirt so that I can celebrate your make with you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. 안녕!